Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today?
Today we're doing Turner's tail for my 08 to, well, this is a 2012, but 08 to 14 STI WRX hatch. And then the old turn signals are going to be switched to reverse bulbs. So we're going to have 4 reverse bulbs basically, and then Turner's tail on the outside.
Is it going to be bright or what?
Oh, it's going to be bright, and I really need it. You can see I got a tint on the reverse and on the on this section as well.
Yep.
I definitely need all I can get as far as brightness goes. So we got the harness that runs from, well, both of these white plugs are for each tail light. That's pretty much the only part you need for the Turner's tail part. And then all this extra wiring is so you can plug in your old turn signals and turn those into reverse bulbs. So those are going to be my probably like a cool white type of color LED, and then these are going to be for the inside ones on the actual hatch itself, so that everything matches. Very
nice. So does that package have resistors and everything, so
yeah,
you won't get the hyper flashing and all that?
I believe it's all built into the white part of that harness. That little Diode Dynamics piece, I believe, is all the magic. So,
okay, perfect.
So then what we have then would be, this is our blinker currently. This is the brake light, and then this guy will be the blinker, the red part. It won't be sequential, but it'll flash on the C shape, and then these will all be reverse bulbs.
All right.
Because right now I think it's reverse, and then this is blinker.
Yeah.
So it's going to be 4 reverse bulbs, which I really need bright bulbs because I have such a dark tint.
Yeah, they are. They're pretty dark.
Pretty dark, yeah.
Yep.
But this is actually a paint, not a wrap.
Not a wrap, yeah. They look great.
It's a candied paint.
Mitch did a great job on those, for sure.
Definitely one of my favorite things. It was one of the first things I did. I can't stand the chrome.
I mean, it changed the whole rear end of the car.
Yep.
But anyway, we're gonna give this guy a quick bath, make it more presentable, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started on the install. Alright guys, we finished washing the STI, put some bead maker on it. It's looking sharp.
It stopped raining too.
Yeah, and it stopped raining.
I'm still wet.
Yeah, beautiful day in South Carolina. No Tyrannosaurus today walking around, but hey.
Yeah, we did a little bit of this.
Yeah.
I got drenched from that because one of them splashed me like halfway up my shorts. Yeah, here's the real action. This is probably not going to take forever, but you know how everything goes. So let's go ahead and open the Turner's tail kit here. Alright, what do we got? We got one for that side and one for this side. And there goes my T-tap, which I do need.
You need only one T-tap, one side?
Yes, because the wire harness is on the passenger side that you have to tap into for the, oh gosh, I guess it'd be the reverse signal. Okay. So you can replicate the reverse. So this harness would be, this would be your T-tap connector here. This guy.
Okay.
This one, it doesn't need to be that long, but he's only running to that tail light. And then this one's quite a bit longer because he runs all the way across to this side. So basically just three connectors on here. All you're doing is going to be sharing a connection so you can keep the same signal. Oh, there's another T-tap.
Interesting, okay.
I don't know why they gave you 2 T-taps, maybe just in case. So I guess this is the magic with the Diode Dynamics. I don't understand this stuff, so I'm not going to pretend like I do. But these two little
resistors,
these doohickeys do something. But you literally unplug it, and you plug this into the thing that you unplugged, and then you plug the other end into here, and this sits in between the connection. And then this is where your connectors go from the other harness to go back and grab that old signal.
Okay.
So these get plugged in first, and then we go back and do the harness, and that's when we have to pull panels back a little bit. So we'll start with the tail lights. These are just a couple 10 mils, and the tail lights slide straight back. So let's do that first.
All right.
Then this guy goes in here. You put the female end in there. Click that. Yeah, we don't need the length. And this side goes here. And then I guess we'll have to leave this dangle for now.
Yep.
Because I'm gonna have to get back to this.
Correct.
All right, so let's get this trunk mat out of the way. We'll just lift up everything on it. Because we gotta get the carpet out, just make some more room for everything. Right over here. Get the trunk.
We're trying to make this as foolproof as possible, so a person who has never taken their trunk apart can do this install.
Yeah.
So if you guys have any questions, and if we happen to skip any step, just put in the comment box below if you have any questions on how to take anything apart.
It's definitely pretty easy. You really only need like 3 tools. I mean, this is a 10 mil like screwdriver style, but you can use a 10 mil socket just as easily.
Yeah, sometimes it looks, you know, self-explanatory, but you know, some people they just want to make sure.
Yeah.
Which is understandable. So we gotta take this screw apart over there in the corner, right above the tail light.
Yeah, we got 2 top ones, and then inside of this little hook, you stick your screwdriver through there. There's one more in there. You got 1 clip here and 1 on this side. Any kind of flathead or screwdriver would work. It's just got a double clip, so you gotta get under the gray part in order to separate it from the white, like that.
Oh.
So, pretty sure that's all you need to take that off. You just pull up on it.
Wow, that was easy.
Guy, you gotta fold back this tab. You push the clip down, the little cargo strap, and then you have to get under there with a flathead and fold that down. And then you have another 10 mil in here. I have not taken this far apart before, not on this car. So that whole thing comes off, 10 mil inside. Perfect. One more screw up here. I don't think I'd have to go this high up, but I guess I am.
Do we have to take that entire panel apart, or you're just prying it open?
Just pulling it back.
Oh, okay.
So we can get to it.
Cool.
But when you pull this back, it's going to be closer to the actual body rail. It's not going to be way down in there. So it's right here. It's going to be the brown and yellow wire. These are all color coded. So you got to fish in here, and you got to kind of get a little slack on the one you need. So it's got a yellow stripe on a brown wire.
It is right here, right this one.
Yeah, the one sticking out.
Yep. So this is where you're gonna use the tap, T-tap.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to do this on this side and as well as on the
No, just the
side?
one side.
Oh, just one side. Okay.
Yes, just this because the harness runs over.
Okay. Cool.
So these are really simple. You just put the wire in the groove that's right there, and then you just fold this over and you put a pair of pliers on it and just crimp it.
Oh, okay.
And it kind of slices through the casing, but not through the wire, and it makes contact. So go ahead and do that. All right, so the male connection goes on the female connector that we just put in here, the T-tap. Go ahead and get that engaged pretty tight. Tuck it in there. Make sure you grab the short wire. And then where we want to come out is right here on this grommet. We're going to want to peel this back just a little bit to get a little bit of air in there. And then poke the wire through, but we're going to come through from the back. So I'll do that and you can watch it come out. Goes into here. Like that. Oh, there it is. Oh, Oh, there it is.
Mayor.
Owie. All right. Where's the other one? Right there. Beautiful.
Alright, so I guess you guys are gonna have to undo everything. We don't have to show you the footage how to put back everything together.
Yeah.
But this is pretty much the video we wanted to do today. Turn its tail on the 2012 STI.
Yeah. Good for 08 through, basically the hatch, 08 through 14.
08 through, so just hatch only?
Yeah, because, well, it's a little different.
Okay.
You have different, you don't have these on like a sedan. You just
Gotcha.
you just have the outside portion on a sedan.
Okay.
So
yeah, we just wanted to make a quick video about that and then kind of throw in the cleaning the car in there as well.
yeah, car was filthy. Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely was filthy.
Little
I
more
know I've been talking about Beatmaker, so he wanted to try it.
Yeah, I did.
It actually car feels great. I mean,
It
it still needs some TLC with the what do you call that, clay bar and everything, because some panels actually feel abrasive. But
Yeah, it needs to be a light clay bar.
Yeah.
It's not a heavy contamination, but it needs
Yeah.
a little bit. So
anyway, we wanted to show you guys that real quick, and
we'll put this back together, maybe do a quick B-roll, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, sounds good.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Feed the addiction with Project Cars. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace out.
Peace out.